Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll tell you how you can sign up for the Nielsen India Private Limited market research campaign. So I'll just tell you more about it. So first of all, I just click on the link provided. So once I click on the link, it will redirect me to the website, which is morenielsen.com. So this is Nielsen More Panel. Nielsen India Private Limited is a subsidiary of Nielsen USA LLC, which is one of the world's largest market research company. All the exit polls, all the election result polls, and all whatever you see, most of them are actually done by Nielsen only. So Nielsen have launched their app, which is known as Nielsen More. So it is actually a good opportunity for everyone to come in and actually participate in this market research, and also they all the users will be rewarded who actually participate in this. So what is this? So this is the Nielsen India Private Limited terms and condition privacy policy. So this is basically, I'll just tell you more about this. So basically you just need to click on I agree. After that, once you enter your mobile number, so I'll just explain it step by step. So first of all, I just need to click on I agree. That after that, I just need to click on I accept. Once I click on I accept, after that it will ask me for my first name, my last name, my mobile number, my pin code, my date of birth, my gender. I need to create a password, and then I need to create confirm password. Then I just need to click on I'm not a robot, and then send the verification code. So this is the basic procedure. After that, I need to fill a profiling survey, which I need to fill and submit. Once I submit that, I'll receive a SMS with a app link to download it. And once I download it by going into my browser, they'll provide me that I'll just install that APK. And once I install that APK, what happens is, I just need to enter the mobile number and password that I have entered here. I will enter my mobile number here. I'll enter my password here, and that I need to enter with. So once I provide them the access in my mobile, after that, they'll provide me 250 points. So the main thing here is, once you reach 1000 points, you can redeem it as a 100 rupees gift voucher in form of Paytm, Amazon, or any other accessories that you want to redeem. And if you have to keep this app for 10 days for that. So every day from the second day, first day you get 250 coins points. After that, once you get the 250 points, from second day onwards you get 50 each. So in the next 9 days, you something get around 5 to 15 to 9 is 450 points, plus 250 points that you have received earlier, total 700 points. You have to complete 1000 points in your account to redeem it in a form of 100 rupees Paytm or Amazon or any other gift card, right? You can redeem it in your that will come to your email ID. So first of all, I'll just fill here everything, and I'll just keep explaining step by step, and why this is important I'll explain that as well. So stay tuned and let me enter all my details, then I'll show you the next step. So I have entered all my details here. And one more thing, while choosing your password, just make sure that it should have all the alphabets. Along with the alphabet, you should keep at least one numeric character, right? And you just need to select here I am not a robot. After that, you just need to click on send verification code. They'll send you a verification code. I have got must have got one verification code on my mobile. Actually, I got it. I'll just enter it here. Let me enter it, right? So this is the code 528593. Okay, fine, I have entered it. I'll just click on submit. So now they'll ask me to complete the profiling survey. Tell us something more about you. Please tell us something about the person. Contributes maximum towards household expenditure till what education level has he or she studied. So I just need to complete this survey. Let me complete this survey then. Who contributes to your house? So education, degree, graduate, professional, air conditioner, no, yes, 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 yes. I'm just filling the details that like which the accessories that is in my house. So this is basically called as NCCS. These are the standard which are being followed when any survey is being taken by all the survey companies, to actually understand about the customer, about whom the market research is being done. like the market research survey is being taken. So mostly if you, any one of you have taken any kind of surveys, any e-commerce survey or any kind of marketing survey, any kind of surveys, so this is the basic profiling that needs to be done, right? So gas or stove, personal computer or laptop, if I'm having two-wheeler, yes. If I'm having a washing machine, yes. Does your family own any agricultural land? If we mean that is currently under cultivation or plantation, no. What is your working status? I am working. What is the master status? I am never married. You have kids below the age of 15 years? No. How many members do currently have living in your household? 5 members. Have you shopped online? Please select the option that is most relevant to you. Yes, I have shopped online in last 6 months. Yes, I have shopped online in last 1 year. No, I have not shopped online in last 1 year. No, I have never shopped online. So I frequently do online shopping. So I'll just select yes, I have shopped online in last 6 months. Do you use Amazon Prime membership which is currently active? Yes, I personally have. Actually, I have one Amazon Prime membership under my name. So I'll just select this. So these are the details that I need to fill. So basically this is an e-commerce NCCS survey that is being taken here. I'll just click on save. So once I click on save, now they are asking me, you may be shown a dialog box, there is one displayed above, please click on the install anyway to proceed. So this is the APK that I need to download in my device so that I can actually start doing the part of market research by the Nielsen Company US LLC. So I just need to click here to download the app. I'm just clicking that. This is a APK, so Google will show some warnings, but that doesn't matter because anything which is not on Play Store, Google will show warning for that. So I don't think that will be a matter here. I'll just click on install anyway. The app is Nielsen More, right? So it is being installed. It is of a size of around 9.62 MBs. So yeah, it is installed. I just click on open. So this is staging the app. I'm just click on installing, let it install. So once it's installed, I can just enter with my mobile number and password. I'll just click on open, let the app open. Allow Nielsen More to manage phone calls. So device location is that okay, fine, let it be. I'll just click on phone number and password. I'll just enter my phone number and password here. Give me a second. So I just need to click on login. Once I click on login, it will redirect me inside the app. This is the Nielsen More app. So please accessibility for find more. They are asking me to enable the access. I'll just enable the access. So let me give the access. So they are asking me to give the access. Please enable accessibility service for Nielsen More. Find Nielsen More, enable accessibility for Nielsen More. Okay, I'll just click on enable access. Okay, here is the Nielsen More. I'll just give on the access. This service need to monitor retrieve window content. Okay, I just gave the access. After that I just came back. Okay, on the next screen, please allow users access to Nielsen More by turning it on. Okay, so this is the Nielsen More users access. I'm allowing them. Fine. So allow Nielsen More to manage your calls, allow Nielsen More to record the audio. Cool. So here you can see I have got 250 points. These are the points that I can actually redeem later. I can show it to you. Give me a second. I am also new to the app, so I think it's loading right now. Okay, give me a second, let it load. So here is the option of redeeming the points, redeeming M points, right? Which is my Nielsen point. So I just need to enable login again. Here I'll just enter my login ID and password, and I'll just show to you how you can actually redeem the points that I was talking about. All the user can get 100 rupees gift voucher from Paytm, Amazon, or any other websites they want to redeem it. I'll just enter it and I'll just show it to you. So yeah, this is the window actually I was trying to show was the window which was where you can actually redeem the points, but that window will open when you actually earn 1000 points. So once you earn 1000 points, you can actually go and redeem now. So you should give the app users access on so that actually they can do whatever market e-commerce survey that they are doing, the NCCS survey, that the profiling that you have taken earlier. before signing up, so that they need to check. So this is the main idea. The status should be active, and all the user who are actually installing the application should at least keep the application for at least for I think 10 days. So once they keep for 10 days, they will be something around 1000 points. So once they earn 1000 points, they can actually redeem it as a 100 rupees gift voucher. And if they keep, like if they keep the app for future, let's say I keep the app for like more than a month, then also I'll keep getting the whatever bonuses I'm getting, I'll keep getting that 50 coins daily. And if let's say I keep the app for 60 days, then I get 15 to 60 3000 coins. So I can redeem it as a 300 rupees Paytm gift voucher, or Amazon gift voucher, or Amazon gift card, or Amazon money, or whatever. So I can just redeem that 300 rupees in my account. So this is how it works. So 1 point is 10 points is something equal to rupees 1 year. So this is about Nielsen more, and I think you can just check about more about Nielsen and its market research survey that they are doing from past long in India and many other parts of the world. So this is it for the video. If you have watched the video till the end, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel, and complete your work. Thanks a lot.